Hey guys, and welcome to TJ Tech. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I am looking at the Black & Decker coffee bean mill. This is a 150 watt mill. And the reason why I'm looking at this is actually it's like an extension to this specific unboxing review that I had done of the Wakako Nanopress. So the reason for that is because in order to use the Nanopress, you need to have ground coffee that you put in the Nanopress. So let's have a look at one of these. I did have to get one of them if I wanted proper freshly ground coffee. And let's just... So what you get in the box is the literature. Step 1, do not put finger there while rotating very fast. Actually, it doesn't really say that. Not for adults with a mental age of 4, which is, I guess, most men. It should say that somewhere here. Maybe I'll just write it down. Let's have a look at this thing itself. It has the UK style or UAE style wall plug, the flat pin style, and that's what's going to go into the wall. Now that I have that open, let's look inside here. This sort of just like comes right out. It doesn't really lock. I don't think you can lock it. And this is the power button to use the machine itself. You have the grinder blade at the bottom over there. Like I said, when rotating, do not put finger inside. Just, you know, we're all about safety. This is, of course, a Black & Decker one. I think it's called the CBM4 Type 1. Interesting. And now I'm plugged in. Ooh. Yep. Let's stay safe. Alright, so I have over here some Kenyan roast medium type coffee beans. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to grind this open. So let me just open this guy up as well. Look at that, 2 unboxings though. Does this really even count? Got myself a little shovel. Gonna take this guy out. I'm just gonna shovel in about 2 shovels of coffee. What do you think? Let's go wild. Let's do 3. And of course I'm gonna close this guy and it doesn't let me do it more than once. Did I break it? Alright, so I have a bowl over here which I'm gonna try to empty out my coffee into. I'm gonna give this another whirl because it just literally just stopped on me. There goes my career as a barista. Okay, I probably should have read that. You've got this lid, which is apparently a measuring lid, and you can have 2 lids full of coffee in here. Alright, so that was a false alarm. It had to actually do with my power supply unit, and that was conking off. So, seems to be working fine. I'm gonna give this another go. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna change things up. Don't mind the mess. It was here when I came, actually. So I'm gonna put some coffee beans in the measuring cap, and it says you can put about 2 full caps of this. So I'm just gonna put about 1. I really don't think I need that much coffee. I'm gonna have a caffeine high, aren't I, today? So I'm just gonna pop this guy inside. Simple as that. Actually, that's pretty cool. I didn't know that this would be used for that, and it's nice. I guess it depends on how well ground you want your coffee, but I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna turn this upside down and let sort of the coffee come through, and then just sort of slide this out. And so that's a smarter way, I guess, of doing it. There's a lot of coffee left inside. If you look at the coffee itself, it's really nicely ground. So I could actually use this for the lovely Nanopress, and we could actually have some coffee on the go already. Well, not on the go because I'm not carrying that when I'm traveling, but you get the point. So, coffee grinder. Obviously, when I got this, I really wasn't sure what I was going to expect. I wonder how cleaning this would work, because I would hope that this would come out, but it's not going to come out. This is a super inexpensive coffee grinder, if that's what you're looking for. It cost me about 80 dirhams, actually less than that, 79 dirhams. And it's pretty cool. You can put the coffee in here, you can kind of take it out with this. A little finicky here and there, but at 80 dirhams, can't really complain. Get some good coffee, spend your money on that, use it to grind it, and then you can use the Nanopress to serve yourself some espresso. Obviously, this is small enough for you to travel with if you want to do that. Also, it does have the thing at the bottom where you can wrap the wire inside if you want to do that. It's relatively safe because you can't really turn this on when you have the cap off, because you need the cap to turn this on, so you won't put your finger inside. That's one of the biggest things that I would be worried about with something like this, with kids around or anything like that. But good brand, Black & Decker is very well known for their appliances, and I think this is overall a good buy at 80 dirhams. So if you haven't checked out my unboxing and review of the Nanopress, do check that out. I'll have a card over here somewhere. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know what you thought about this coffee mill on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook. You can catch me on that, or even in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like this of me goofing up and doing stupid stuff, subscribe to my channel and do hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one.